Okay, so basically what I'm doing at this point is I'm getting on the website for the APK Pure app, which they sent a link. If you don't know which one it is this one. It's the one that says apkpure.com. After you click that link, you should be redirected to here, in which you just click download. After this, it's fairly simple. Yes, I am running this on an emulator. It's also gonna have, I hope, decent performance. I don't have any drop frames yet, but yeah, this is just wait for that to download. I don't know how long it'll take. On my slow internet. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this part of the video out just so that way it doesn't take too long for you, and we'll get there right in a second. Okay, so now that we have it installed and downloaded, for some reason it didn't really show it, probably downloaded instantly. We have this, in which all we have to do is, if you read all that, you see, and then you like it, you just go here, click install, it'll install. The app is now installed. Click open. Give it a second. It's going to change into portrait mode because for some reason it doesn't run in the thing. And now after this is basically just your run-of-the-mill ground for everything else. So what you want to do is you want to go into your APK /XAPK management tab. After you do that, you want to go back into here, go into, well, close out of your browser. If you, well, you don't really have to, but you can go into right here, click that, it will open up your browser again, and then you can click download XAPK, go to APK Pure, click always, it'll take you back to here, and then you click install. After that, you will notice that it is starting to install. This is going to actually take a while, so I'm going to pause it here and come back when everything's kind of settled out. Okay, now that we got this application installed, now we can actually go in and fully install it. So all we have to do is click install. It's installing. I'm not sure how long this will take since it's already downloaded, but shouldn't take too long. Yep, there we go, app installed. Then you click open, and it should just open right up to the app. And that's basically the installation tutorial for you. I hope you liked this tutorial, and I will see you probably in the next video if you decide to join.